today class 8 students we will start with the already we studied that chemical change and physical change. So today we will see the signs of chemical changes. We already told this one that change in color, change in odor, change in temperature, production of heat and light, production of gas, formation of precipitate. These are the sign actually by which we can identify that chemical changes takes place. Like change of color, if we see that some changes show the change of color, like the reactant it goes through the chemical reaction, then actually it shows the change of color. Like if when acid is added to cabbage indicator, then it changes the color from purple to pink. Changes of water, if we see that in some changes like substance, if we mixes together, then actually it produces some smell, that is actually change of odor. Change in temperature, if we see that when carbon dioxide react with calcium hydroxide, then actually it will form as calcium carbonate, and actually here actually heat also produced. Production of heat and light, if we see, and then when methane react with oxygen, then it will form as carbon dioxide, H2O, and light and heat also comes out. The production of gas, if we see, when Zn and HCl react, then it will form as hydrogen gas, then actually it is gas is coming out evolved. Formation of precipitate, if we see that when silver nitrate react with sodium chloride, then actually it precipitate as AgCl, sodium silver chloride and sodium nitrate. So these are the precipitate insoluble in nature, and then that show the form of chemical changes takes place. Chemical changes, some physical changes that also show the signs of chemical change, but actually it is physical changes taking place. Like change in color, if we see the dissolving the food coloring in water results the color change. That actually it is dissolution of coloring of the agent. Moreover, no new product are formed. Change in temperature, if we see, however, that go through the process, water is heated, then actually it changes into vapor, which actually the physical changes takes place. States of change taking place. No new substance are formed. Production of gas, if we see, then when carbureted drink, actually carbureted drink means cold drinks actually if if we open the this cork, then actually what happened, this Fuji appearance comes out. This is actually phenomenon of physical change, not the chemical change. The process of melting, this rusting also, that actually if we see that actually it is a chemical change. Like that of burning of candle is taking place, they actually both the physical and chemical change taking place togetherly. How actually when the melting of solid wax changes into this liquid form, then actually again changes into solid form, that is actually physical change. But when it is burning, actually then hydrocarbon substance actually when burned with oxygen, then it will form as carbon dioxide and H2O vapor. In this case, both physical and chemical changes takes place. So these are the way by which we can identify that some changes are taking place around us, that are physical and as well as chemical change, and some changes are there that is both example of physical and chemical changes taking place. So today up to that.